What's going on? So what we're doing today, it's gonna be a short video, is we're putting on the radiator guard and the oil cooler guard.
The beam is, you see that? That's what we don't want, right? Alright, enter there. There's a few down here, but luckily nothing's too bad.
You have to take a few of these bolts off. There's like 9 of them. They're T25, so I'm gonna get to. I'm gonna work on the left side, then I'm on the right side, and then so I took it off. So
That's it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the other side off and then start doing my measurements.
all right, so what we're doing right now is we're doing the fitment, right? Not sure if you can see. There's like this right here. This hole goes here, so we have to take this bolt off, and then that would line up there. So let's start removing that. I ran into a little problem, but that's pretty much the finished product. The oil guard and then the radiator guard. I do gotta zip tie it because they do offer those zip ties. Or not sure you guys can see it for those. Sorry, I was out of breath because I was misaligned. But the problem that I ran into is if you are installing both of them, they go into the same bolt. So you gotta line them up both, and yeah, get the gist of it. But that's pretty much it. Now I'm just gonna put everything back on, zip tie it, and then we're good to go. All right, so that's side one. Now we're gonna work on the other side. So let's go. All right, that is the other side, all done. Again, this is how it looks. So for those that don't know what it is, it's just to protect you guys' radiator and the oil cooler from rocks and stuff like that. But doesn't look too bad. I got it in black, so yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. So much love. Stay tuned. Peace.
What you see, you gotta be dumb to believe what you heard. Don't double back on your word. Let me put you on game. Don't listen to people who